I wanna see is a dollar sign. It's money on my mind, money on my mind. Yeah, I'm on my grind, yeah, I'm on my grind. I need some more money, I need some overtime. My bills stacking up, I need some overtime. It's money. What's going on, y'all? Back with another video for y'all, man. Y'all been asleep. But anyway, so today I actually have a cooking video going for y'all. So we'll get into this. I was actually about to cook salmon. Then I defrosted it and forgot it was in the refrigerator for more than 3 days. Opened it up, smelled like shit, threw it away. But luckily I went to the store before I got home, just in case it was bad, because I kept looking at it every day like, you know what? I should cook this. Then I cook some chicken. I should cook this. That's leftover chicken. I ate that. Ran out of days. So it didn't smell too good. It was slimy. Threw it away. So today we're gonna step it down a little bit and we're gonna cook some tilapia. So I got some tilapia right here. Say what you want about tilapia, blah blah blah. I don't care. That's what we're cooking today. So if you want to learn how to cook tilapia, this video for you. You know I'm a grill master, man. You know I'm a grill master. So I grill all my foods, majority. I rarely fry things. So we're gonna make this a simple dish. We're gonna have some grilled tilapia. We're gonna have some Brussels sprouts. I don't ever eat Brussels sprouts, bro. I don't ever eat these. Like, I just Googled what goes well with tilapia and Brussels sprouts came up. So I was like, okay, boom. Okay, we're gonna cook Brussels sprouts for the first time today and make a video. This should be interesting. If it tastes crappy, I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm gonna lie about my own cooking. Like, the tilapia gonna hit. Them Brussels sprouts though, I don't know. I'm gonna lie to y'all. But we're gonna get into this. So I'm gonna show you guys the seasoning I'm using for today's dish. You feel me though? So you tell your girl like, hey, you know what I'm saying? That boy DC hit me with a little recipe, you know, girl. I'm gonna get you right. I'm gonna get you right. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. Here is what I'm working with for spices. Boom. Thyme leaves, you know, dried thyme leaves. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we got the lemon juice. You know, onion powder. Garlic powder. I was told to get this, and every time I be looking at other things to cook, like my chicken and stuff, I be looking at my steak season like this season be hidden. So we're gonna use this. I got the recipe offline, so I'm gonna use this. So we're gonna try that. Gotta have the ground black pepper. You feel me though? Not the shake, not the one that come in the box. The ground, so you can, you know what I'm saying? Properly proportion that thing. You know what I'm saying? And some kosher salt. That go too. So this is how we're gonna start this. First things first, let's start on our veggies. Cause we know the tilapia gonna cook pretty fast. The fish gonna cook fast. So we're gonna start on these Brussels sprouts, bruh. We're gonna start these Brussels sprouts, you know what I'm saying? So first thing we wanna do with these is rinse them off. We wanna rinse this off in cold water. And don't mind my ashy hands. My hands gotta be ashy, bro. I've been washing my hands. So if you see somebody cooking and they black and their hands ain't ashy and they cooking, that means they got all kind of moisturizer and all kind of lotion on their hands. We need them hands ashy. I need them hands to be looking like you just rubbed some chalk on it. Like you better do some dang, some acrobats or something. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Rinse these off with some cold water, you know what I'm saying? You make sure your veggies is clean. Dry them out. I'm gonna put y'all on, you feel me? Women love a man who cook. Got them things, you feel me? Nice and cleaned up. And dry them out a little bit, shake them up. Boom, that's good enough, I don't care. All right, so usually I would use a knife for this, or usually you should use a knife for this, but I'm gonna use some scissors because I'm a lazy SOB, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these down the middle. Be careful when you cut this, be careful. Cut these down the middle. We're gonna cut these little stumps off. I don't want that, get out of here. But you cutting this, I'm using meat scissors. So if I mess up, I cut my finger off. So I'm cutting this very carefully, y'all. Don't rush this. Don't be trying to be, you know what I'm saying, professional chef up in here or wherever you at. Like cut your finger off and be like, DC made me do it. No, the hell he didn't. Hell you talking about? Boom. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward to this. I'm gonna just cut all these up and I'm gonna show y'all what to do next, how to season them. All right, now that we have all of it cut up, we're gonna go ahead and put in this bowl and mix it up with some seasonings. This doesn't taste too promising. I said about 2 teaspoons of this. This is a lot better mixing in here, because that way it can stay in the glass. I can just move it around and get all coated. The cautious salt. Use this first. Very sparingly. You know, so. Hit with some black pepper. I usually use white pepper, but it's powdered and I don't want to worry about all that. I'm probably going to over season if I do that. Hit with black pepper. Mix it up a little bit. You know. We got some garlic powder in here, so just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of garlic powder mixed in there. Oops, lost one. There we go. A little garlic powder. Alright, there we go. My battery's about to die, so I'm gonna get right back to y'all because my camera battery about to die. Definitely smells fishy. And if she smells fishy, you better leave her alone. You know what I'm saying? You better leave her alone. She's smelling fishy. You feel me though? That thing ain't no good. One of the ingredients that I did not say that I was going to use on here is paprika. Gotta have a paprika. Alright. So, here we go. We're going to use the steak seasoning first. I'm going to hit these up. Like that. I'm not going to tell you guys to use 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. I don't cook like that. I cook to desire. Y'all know how I do it. Feel me? I cook how I want it to be cooked, not how somebody else cooked theirs and that was good to them. No. Give me the ingredients and I'll determine how much seasoning I want. Because a lot of times when you look at those recipes online, you be like, it was alright, but I thought it was going to be better. That's because you didn't put as much seasoning as you desire. We all don't have the same taste. So we got, oh, hold up. See what I'm talking about? We don't have the same taste. Hold up. Okay. There's so much seasoning in here, it's hard to, you know, that new, that fresh open. Boom, alright. Okay, with this onion powder. And y'all probably watching this video like, oh, she just heard and show us some video. No, we do long, thorough videos. You feel me? So it's that thyme, or how do you say this? I don't know. T-H-Y-M-E leaves. I don't know. Okay, with those, it's looking nice. Okay. Hey, with some black pepper. Oh, this fish. We cooking today, y'all. We cooking today. Sleep. Alright. Go ahead with the paprika last. I don't need any salt. There's already salt in the steak seasoning. You don't need to add any salt. There's probably pepper in there too, but you know, why not? With the paprika. Boom, look at that. I'm gonna taste some of the, you know. And there it is. You're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So, but what I like to do, you see like how I missed some of these on this part? It's like all this for. Boom. All those spots I missed, because you're probably like, look, your meat's overlapping. You're not gonna, your meat overlapping. You know what I'm saying? Your nigga meat overlapping. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, so back to this. We're gonna use this extra seasoning. Put it on the sides. Let's try hit that to the meat so it stick when I flip this. I'm about to flip this. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Alright, flip it over. I'm not going to show you guys me seasoning the back. Just go ahead and season the back of the meat the same way you season the front. And then you can meet me at the skillet when we go ahead and these Brussels sprouts back go on. You feel me though? Alright, so go ahead and throw these Brussels sprouts in this hot skillet. Oh yeah, so here we go. Yes, sir. While these are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and go to the grill outside and throw our fish on there. Alright, so our coals aren't really ready yet, unfortunately. So our Brussels sprouts are gonna be done before this fish, more than likely. So there we go. Get that side. That side ain't really working. There we go. Ooh. Get that fire going. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait a little bit for this fire to get where it needs to be. So that way we can go ahead and put our fish on there. Cause right now those coals aren't ready. And I'm spending too much time looking at my Brussels sprouts and seasoning stuff. So yeah, but we'll be alright. These are cooking, you know, you're gonna see they're gonna get a little brown on certain sides. It's good. Make sure you flip them a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm scared. I'm gonna turn this fire down real low though, cause we still gotta wait for the tilapia to be ready. I want all this to be warm at the same time. I've never cooked Brussels sprouts, so please don't judge me. But my main purpose of this is just get these nice and golden on the outside, make sure they're warm on the inside, and hey, we're gonna send it. And sorry that I'm using this little Spider-Man spoon, that's my son's, you feel me? But I'm washing dishes right now in the dishwasher. And yeah, I didn't have anything. I put all my utensils in there like an idiot. I should just hand wash one of them. But players mess up sometimes, you know, so whatever. We still gonna get the job done. Flipping this thing, you know. Coming out beautifully. Look at that. Nice and brown. Like I said, turn the fire all the way down. I want to get this to a point where it's just warming these up. Alright, here we go. Grill should be nice and ready. Better go ahead and put our tilapia on there. Alright, there we go. Now I'm placing this in the grill where I'm trying to like put them all on there with these 2 racks. I'm trying to waste enough season, might as well throw it on our fish, right? And there it is. So we'll be back here like in about 5 minutes. It shouldn't take that long for this to cook. Alright y'all, so it should be finished. Oh, and it is, and look how good it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off the grill. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside with it. I'll show y'all the size. Everything should be ready by now. With that, looking good. I'm gonna let y'all see this in the good light though. I'm gonna just put this on my hand like, forget it. Like, oh, that one broke. Oh, here we go. That's hot. Whew, that thing is hot, hot. Sorry y'all, I have to make sure I got that off. I don't have my other utensils, but you can see how good that looks. Brussels sprouts is hidden. Looks so good right now. So I'll go ahead and put all this together. Let y'all see what it look like. Garlic bread ready. Whew. Don't try this at home, kids. I'm not using any kind of anything to keep my hands safe. All right, now for the Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. There we have it, y'all. Brussels sprouts looking delicious. Fish looking delicious. Garlic bread looking delicious. Oh, we on. Maybe that's a little bit too much lighting. Let me get some lighting off of there. Look at that. That looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So if you guys like this video, man, make sure you like, share, subscribe to my cooking videos. That's how you make it easy and simple. I think I did this, having the film, it took me like an hour. But if I already had everything prepped, it probably would take me like about maybe 15, like less than 30 minutes to make this whole thing, you know? So if you like this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe for more, and I'll see y'all in the next video with Cooking with Crush, you feel me? Hey, see you next video.